Each of the Elgato key lights is right for you and your setup. The original, brighter, larger panel, or the more portable, lightweight Air model. Today we're going to demonstrate the key differences and maybe even help you decide between these two light panels. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. On my channel, we bring content focused on drones and tech, from the latest drone news and tech how-to and review videos, to some fun live streams. If this sounds like your kind of thing, subscribe and hit the notification button to see our content first. As a YouTuber, lighting is an essential part of my equipment, and it can make all the difference when creating attractive looking videos and live streams. Stay tuned to this video to find out what I don't like about these key lights. It is important information. Before we go any further, this isn't a sponsored video. There are links to the products we're talking about in the description, but they are not affiliate links. I've been using the products in this video personally for some time now, and this video represents a small YouTube channel's true impressions. As well as the usual studio lighting such as softboxes and coloured lighting, it is important to have a good key light or two to keep your face well lit during recording or live streams. The original Elgato key light is hugely popular and we're all used to seeing it in the backgrounds of many YouTubers' videos, but now we have a newer version, the Elgato Key Light Air. As the name might suggest, it's smaller, more compact version of the original light. For those of you who don't know what these lights are, they are flat panel lights which have extremely bright LEDs around the edge of the panel, which then get diffused into even softer light through the main panel cover here. They attach to your desk via a clamp, or you can, as I do, attach them to freestanding light stands. You then control the light through either the Control Center app on your computer or phone, or via the Elgato Stream Deck. The latter can be extremely useful for changing light or warmth during a live stream. The key light can give you a professional look for what is a reasonable price. With the new Key Light Air, you have a lot of these technical abilities, although the light created is of course from a smaller panel, so it isn't quite as spread or as bright as the bigger original light. The new Air comes attached to its own stand, which is adjustable to increase height. Certainly high enough for most monitors, but not as high as the original light. Will go much higher with its included bracket. There is of course the added benefit to the original that you can detach it and place it on wall brackets or freestanding light stands, so there is a decent amount of flexibility there. The new Air is very lightweight and sits on top of the table on its own stand, so in terms of setting up your studio or moving the stand to another location, perhaps between recording videos and live stream setups, it is easier than the larger original with the fixed bracket. The new smaller panel saves a lot of space and can be tucked away in the corner when you aren't streaming. So for creators operating in tight studio spaces, this can be handy. A small benefit of the Air light is the tether along the back of the stand, which does actually tuck the cable away nicely, making wire management simpler. We all know our wire management OCD can erupt when filming. Personally, I use both light types, so they have their own uses. But let's talk for a moment about who might use each one. If you have the space and a decent sized desk to stream from or record from, you'll probably want the larger panel. This does give more light across a wider spread, which might be needed if you're also operating in a larger space. The Key Light Air is useful to those who have a smaller creation space, or you have to take apart your set after each recording. The simplicity and versatility use of this unit is exceptional, also being able to easily shut down and store away once you finish streaming. One thing I would mention which goes against both lights is the fact that there are no on-unit controls beyond the power switch. Some of you who are more used to the more traditional LED panels might be expecting the usual array of switches and dials, allowing you to control the units. These will need to be connected via your Wi-Fi and controlled by a device on that same network. For me, that is simple, as I use a number of Elgato products and these fit seamlessly into that ecosystem. However, if you're new to the Elgato range, this is an important factor to keep in mind. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. As explained before, I've personally been using both of these lights for a good while now, and I'm happy to answer any questions that I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, he's still here. No in the seat.